Great Alpine have such a huge range of caravans. This is our bright 21-foot 6-inch, and it's an off-road family van. So this is kind of the mansion of the caravans, right? So this has the heavy-duty silver shine suspension, DO35. It has the stability control, the toolbox for your generator, for your dirty bits and pieces. As you can see, it's the extended drawbar, so it makes reversing and getting into tight places much easier. If you walk around here, you can see it has a stabilizer legs, a huge tunnel boot here, lined with aluminium. You can have a kitchen in there. You've got a gas outlet here, so if you want to pop your Weber or your cooker. Aussie Traveller awning, the best awning in the business. And as you can see, this is a front door unit. It has the Aussie Traveller door, which becomes a security door as well with the midge-proof mesh. Again, an excellent door. Love this door. Outside entertainment, big 17-inch wheels, or you may choose different wheels, but it has the independent suspension. You have a table here, TV output, 240 outlet. This is your toilet access door. Again, stabilizer legs. On the back, you've obviously got your spare tire. You have a work light in the back, and you also have that important reversing camera. To the side here, you've got a range of doors. Again, more storage on the side here. But let's go inside and have a look to see what it looks like inside. Slightly higher than a normal cruiser van, but as you come in, wow. You've got this huge queen size bed, cupboards, hanging. You've got more cupboards here, nooks for your laptop, drawers here, storage under the bed. Look at that. Very practical. Now look at all this room to move around, so you can make this bed easily. You've got enough seating for 4 here, this very modern looking Great Alpine leather. You've got more storage here. You've got these huge windows, Sirocco fans. Got more storage under here, which is accessible from the outside. So again, for all your knickknacks that you want to take on your trip around Australia. Got this lovely kitchen. It's got a pantry here, pull-out pantry. As you can see, you've got a stove, oven, blackware. That looks very smart. Or you may choose to have the chrome look. It's up to you. But the microwave, overhead cupboards, lovely window here. And if you look here, this is a Thetford 278 litre fridge. Now, your family could probably live a whole week of all the food you could store in here. So there's not just obviously the fridge, and then there's the freezer. So very practical. You've got more storage up here. You've got more storage underneath. And if you follow me here, you can see the 2 bunks for the kids. Now, they're reasonable bunks. Storage underneath, which is accessible from the outside as well. So plenty of room for clothes and piece of resistance. Look at these cupboards here. Look how deep they are. Look how deep they are. You could store the kids' clothes, their gadgets and their toys. And underneath here, you can see there is a washing machine. I'll open this door here. In here you can see the bathroom. It's quite compact, but very practical. And you've got your separate shower. Warm. So very important for the kids is to have these Sirocco fans. Obviously they've got the window, but these fans ensure the kids get a good night's rest and with plenty of airflow and comfort as you travel this long. So the Great Alpine Bright 21-foot 6 is a fantastic family off-road van. So if you want to go around Australia, off the beaten track, explore the desert, right? Take your family in safety and comfort. The Bright 21-foot 6 is the way to go.